Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 91st of mathematics. In today's lecture, we are gonna learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Dear learner, you understand from the previous lectures that quadrilaterals are those shapes in which there are four angles and four sides. Quadrilaterals are of different types. Might be it is a rectangle, it is a rhombus, it is a parallelogram, it is a kite, and we discussed this concept in greater detail in the previous lecture. So if you want to be a master of this concept, go back to my lecture, find the video on quadrilaterals, add the thumbnail. It is given the name of each lecture, so you can easily find that in the uh, mathematics portion. uh, let us get started, and today we are going to discuss exercise 12b. This is not a, this is 12b. So, question number 1 is saying construct a parallelogram ABCD. I wrote it for your convenience here, parallelogram ABCD, such that AB is equal to 10 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 80 degree. Then they are saying that measure and write down the length of the diagonal BD, and that will be the whole story. So because I told you in many of my previous lectures that I reduced the scales due to compulsion of instruments, so my scale will be 5 centimeter, AB half of this, and BC will be 6 centimeter, which will be the half of 12. No reduction in the size of angle. Angle will be as it is. So in this case, whatever result we are getting in this small scale, then we have to multiply that with the 2, and we will get the original answer. So let's go to the software, and there we will construct this quadrilateral. Okay, this is the software. So let us first draw. There is a tip for you people before drawing any of the side. This is not mandatory, but is a construction tip. I am telling you that whatever size side is of larger length, you draw it on the x-axis. In this case, they given us 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So don't draw AB is equal to 10 centimeter first, because 12 centimeter BC is larger than AB 10 centimeter. You can draw AB as 10 centimeter as well, but there are many questions which are coming in the subsequent examples that it will create problem is if you are not drawing it properly. So construction tip is that first you have to draw whatever side is of larger length. In this case it is 12 centimeter, and I am drawing BC as 6 centimeter according to my scale. So let us draw first 6 centimeter line, and then I have to label it BC, and also I have to write 6 centimeter. Now next job is to draw angle of 80. So you have to draw an angle of 80, mark it as I did, and then connect this point with a straight line to that which is passing that point, and label it as an 80-degree. Now we have to open 5 centimeter long the compass arms, and then we have to draw a B line. So let's do that. First I am bringing it here, and then 5 centimeter long I am opening, because they given us the 10 centimeter. So my scale is 5 centimeter, and I am drawing an arc of 5 centimeter here. So I am writing here 5 centimeter. Okay, because we are drawing a parallelogram, these two sides and one angle will do our work. Similarly, you have to draw an 80 degree line here, because in parallelogram the two pairs of sides are equal. So that is why I am drawing this as well here. And again I have to draw an arc of 5 centimeter. So this will be equal to 5 centimeter as well. Now next job is you can draw it, or you can directly connect these two lines, and let me label it as A and this is D. So this will also be of 6 centimeter. Our job is to find this line which is BD, and we have to measure this length. Because we took a reduced scale, so we will multiply the answer with 2, and then we will get the original answer. Let's do that and find the value of this side, which is almost equal to, if I am not wrong, that is equal to 8.4. Not exactly 8.4. If you give a closer look, it is 8.4. It is 8.4 is the, so I am writing BD is equal to 8.4 centimeter. In the 5 is with me to be very precise. So if you are multiplying it, so it will be equal to 16.90 centimeter. and that will be the original answer. You can check that answer as well. Okay, that was the whole story about question number 1, in which we drew the parallelogram. Let us turn our focus to question number 2, in which they are saying construct a rectangle. Now rectangle are shapes in which the two pairs of sides are equal, not all fours. So let us construct. They given us the sides 96 millimeter. So we have to write scale here. I am writing this scale at this corner, and let me tell you in advance that 96 millimeter will be equal to 9.6 centimeter. Similarly, 84 millimeter will be equal to 8.4 centimeter. Now, because we are having a scale almost with the centimeter graduation, so that is why I converted it to the centimeter scale. Now let's start. They are saying that first you have to draw a line of 9.6. Now according to my criteria, which is not mandatory, I'm telling you again that you have to draw on x-axis the longer side. In this case 9.6 is the longer one. So let me draw a line of 9.6 here, and let me label it 9.6 whatever you can, because it is not mentioned in the question to construct a triangle xyz or abc, so it is your choice. Now I am writing here 9.6 centimeter. Here I have to draw a 90-degree angle, and then I have to connect it with the this line with the B. So this will be what I am drawing it, and then I have to cut it 8.4. I have to cut it 8.4 centimeter. So let us open the arms of this is 8.4 centimeter, and then lock it, and then I have to put it here and then drag a line here, then drag a line here. That will not be visible to you people, but you understand how to draw an arc. So this is that line. I have to draw it till this point, and then in the similar fashion you have to draw it here as well. I am making this as the point which is 90-degree, and here I have to mark it is 90-degree, and of the same length you have to draw a line. and that will also be of 8.4 centimeter in this way. So then you have to connect this line. You have to connect this line to the other side like this. So in this case, let us draw it. This will also be 90 degree. This will also be 90 degree, and this will also be 90 degree, and this one as well. So this side will be 8.4 centimeter, and this side will also be 8.4 centimeter. Now they want us to find the size of the two diagonals, and you know that the values of the two diagonals are always the same. So if we are finding the diagonal of a rectangle, then it will be equal to both of them. So first I am drawing it in the red color, and then let us measure it. So with me it is equal to how much? It is equal to 12.8. So the diagonal value is 12.8 centimeter, as you can see. So both are of them are of what? They both are of the 12.8 centimeter, because in the case of rectangle we know that both the diagonals are equal. Okay, that was the whole story about question number 2. Now in question number 3 they are saying construct a rhombus A B C D. Gentlemen, you understand that in rhombus all the sides are equal in length. So we need only one side, and only one angle is required. They given us in this case AB. Let me write it here, that AB is equal to 6 centimeter, and that is the only one side we require to construct a rhombus. One angle is also needed, so A B C angle is given to us as 155 degree. Because all the sides are equal, so you can draw any side first. You can draw any side first. Let me draw first A B, and that is equal to how much? That will be equal to 6 centimeters. So let us go and draw it 6 centimeter, and let us label it A B, and this will be 6 centimeter. Now I have to put this protector at this point, and I have to draw an angle of 155 15 degree. So I have to connect this line passing through that point, and let us open this arm equal to 6 centimeter, and here I will make an arc, smaller arc as possible here. So this will also be equal to 6 centimeter. Now again we have to draw an angle of 115 degree on this side as well. So it will be 115 between 110 and 120, that is 115. Let us connect these points, and again I have to draw an arc of how much? We have to draw an arc of the 6 centimeter. We have to connect this line with this, and that will be a a rhombus in which all the side, this is equal to 115 degree, this is 6 centimeter, and this is 6. Instead of writing all these things, you have to write like this, that all the sides are equal. So write the value of one side, and then the examiner will understand that all these sides are equal, so they don't have to worry that this side is not labeled. Now the question they are saying, measure and write down the length of each of the two diagonals. So let us first measure this diagonal, and that is 10 centimeter. Let me label it as A, B, C and D. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter, and let us draw and measure BD is equal to what? We have to put this here and then drag it here. So it is equal to what? We have to calculate it, and it is equal to 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Okay, that was the whole story about question number 3. Now we are turning our focus to question number 4, and that is construct a quadrilateral. Now it is not known in advance that what type of shape this will be, but they generally said that construct a quadrilateral, and they told us the label should be PQRS, so we are bound to write that. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ, let me write for your convenience, PQ is equal to PS is equal to PR. Yes, these three sides are equal, and they are given to be 9 centimeter. And then they told us that QR will be equal to 12 centimeter. Now this is the data. RS is also given, So RS is equal to 7.5 centimeter. No angle is given. So we are bound to construct a quadrilateral remaining in the context of this information. Measure and write down the angle QPS. Angle QPS is to be measured. So let's get started. And first we have to draw a 12 centimeter line because the longer side QR is 12 centimeter. So we are drawing a 12 centimeter line from here, and that is starting from here and going all the way to this. So there are 12 centimeter. So we have to make it reduced. 12 centimeter means that we have to take 6 centimeter. So I am drawing it as a 6 centimeter, and let me label it because they given us QR is 12 centimeter and I took it as 6 centimeter. So I am writing 6 centimeter. You have to take it 12 centimeter. The answer will be the same. After the necessary calculation, we will get the accurate answer. Okay, next is that we have to draw a QR, QP. QR is always there. So let us draw QR is 9 centimeter, and here I have to open it till 9 centimeter, so it will be 4.5 centimeter. Let us lock it and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. You have to draw it as 9 centimeter. Okay, now there is another line which is also equal to 9, and that is PR. So these three, PR and PS and PQ, that those two are equal. So we are drawing another arc here, and let us connect these two lines with each other from here to here, and let me denote it that this line is equal to this line, and the length of one side I have to write. So this is P. Now next they are saying that RS will be equal to 7.5. So if I am taking 7.5, so it will be 3.75. It will be 3.75. So let us draw a line RS and open this with me. It is, let me move this more further so it will not create a problem. Then I have to open it as 3.75. So it will be 3.7 and 5 is there, and then I have to draw an arc here of 3.75. Now next and the final step is that we have to draw a 9 centimeter PS. So we have to open it as 4.5. So let us do it because they given us 9, so I am taking the half, and let us lock it, remove this scale, and then put it here and draw an arc. Now next job is to connect these lines, this and this line. So I am saying that this will be S point. This is 4.5 centimeter with me, and that was 3.75 centimeter with me. Okay, that was the whole story about the drawing of this quadrilateral. Now the question is saying that measure and write down QPS. So we have to put it here, and then we have to rotate it, and we will find this angle of QPC, and this QPC is equal to 133. You can see it from this place. Yes, it is exactly equal to 133 QPS. Now remember, dear learners, that you don't have to multiply this angle by 2, because you are not taking the half of the angle. The angle should be the same as it is given in the question. So this is 133 is the answer. Let us move our focus to question number 5. In question number 5, they are saying that construct a quadrilateral they are saying construct a rhombus PQRS such that PQ, let me write it here for you, PQ is equal to what? That is equal to 60 millimeter, which is 6 centimeter. And the diagonal PR, I have to write diagonal PR is equal to 9 millimeter, which is 9 millimeter. So you are going to construct that, and then you have to measure and write down the size of QPS angle. Let us do question number 5. First, they given us that construct a rhombus PQRS such that PQ is equal to 60 millimeter. So it means that you have to take 0.6 centimeter on your scale, but it is very small scale. So let us take it as a 6 centimeter instead of 60 millimeter. So first job is to draw a diagonal first of the 6 centimeter, So let me draw it as 6 centimeter. Yes, it is here. So I am writing P and R. This will be P and this will be R. Now next job is to open this as 9 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter, and for me it is easy because it is not opening more than 9 centimeter. So I have to draw an arc from this and from here as well. Similarly, we have to move to this side and then draw an arc from here and then turning our focus to this and drawing an arc. That's it. Now our next job is to connect this line and this line, and similarly this line and this line. So all the sides are equal. Let me label it that this is the 6 centimeter and this is the 9 centimeter. And because in rhombus all the sides are equal, so I am labeling it as Q and R. So now they want us to find what QPS. QPS, which is this angle. So we have to bring this and put it on this line, and similarly we have to take this one. This is with me is 140 degree, but with you people it will not be 140 degree. Why? Because I took this as a 6 centimeter and this is a 9 centimeter. Actually this is a 9 centimeter and this is a 6 centimeter. But the main purpose is that you have to understand. You can take this one as 9 centimeter and this one as 6 centimeter very easily. So then your answer will be according to the question. My answer is according to my solution. So that's it for today. Hopefully you have enjoyed and learned something from it. Tomorrow we will come with a new concept, with a new energy. So stay with this channel. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.